Hi, my name is Karen Crozer, and today I'm going to show you how to use Los Angeles Mission College's Early Alert System. After logging into SIS, click on Faculty Center. You will see your classes displayed. Over on the right side next to each class will be a link in blue that says Early Alert Roster. Click on that. In a moment, you'll see student names have been blurred for privacy reasons. When you look at your roster, each student will have a link next to their information that says Create Alert. Click that next to the student who you want to create an alert for. Then you will see all the different things that you could create an alert for. For instance, you could document that they are missing assignments, that you want them to meet with you, or they have an excessive amount of absences. You could also refer them to services that the college offers. Writing lab, math lab, reading lab, mental health services, personal counseling, academic counseling, financial aid, EOP&S, DSPS, tutoring, and supplemental instruction. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll create an alert based on missing assignments. I click there and I hit Continue. Now you will see there is a new drop-down menu for method of contact. The first option is Email Custom. This will open up an email that is blank where you can write whatever you want to the student, and it will be documented through the Early Alert system. Personally, I prefer email formatted. This tells the system to create a formatted email for me that I can then edit. You'll see that this instructor email looks a little different than the one we give out to our students. However, it will still go to the same inbox. But if you wish, you can change it. Next to this, you'll see another link, Email Content. Click here. So at the top is information populated about your class and the section. Then you will see the actual email here. My records indicate that you are missing one or more assignments. Please see me to discuss your missing assignments. Then that email is listed again with your name. Now personally, I like to go in and take out the faculty part so I don't confuse my students. You could also add any additional information you wanted. It's up to you. When you're all done, all you have to do is hit OK. Now the student will get an email and it will be recorded in the Early Alert system. On the back end, our Learning Resource Director and DE Coordinator, Al Ibarra, will be able to see that you have created this alert. If you change your mind and decide you no longer want to create the alert, just hit cancel. And that's all you need to do to create an early alert. Thank you. One last note. When you create an early alert, please also send an email to Al Ibarra informing him of the alert. You can email him at ibarraad@laccd.edu. That's Ibarra, YBARRA AD @laccd.edu. Thank you.